Brian, so civil trial finished another day of deliberations despite telling the judge it was deadlocked and still far away from reaching any verdict. KTLA 5's Corrine Winter at the courthouse with an update.
The Stowe family joked with reporters as they left the courthouse en route to see their son Brian in Northern California.
We want to see his mother. He owes me money.
The laughs came after a roller coaster day of emotions, with the jury being deadlocked on Wednesday over questions concerning liability on the verdict form. At issue, whether the Dodgers and former owner Frank McCourt were liable for the brain injuries the Giants fans sustained from these convicted Dodgers fans on opening day 2011. The Stowe family is suing the defendants for $36.5 million, which doesn't include punitive damages. But how close is the jury to reaching a verdict, with deliberations stretching into another week?
I can read only into it that this jury is doing exactly what I asked them to do in my closing argument, which was take their time, go through the evidence carefully, go through the jury instructions carefully, and come to a very considered verdict. And that's clear they're doing that. They're working very hard.
Both legal teams are disclosing little about where things stand with jurors on the verdict form, but there was some indication that the panel was at odds over whether McCourt should be held responsible in this lawsuit. There were also signs that a possible settlement could be in the works.
I have no reason to believe that right now.
Which wouldn't be a bad idea at this point, says legal expert Brian Kabatak, since it would avert a mistrial.
Now is the time for parties to talk seriously about settlement. Discussions behind the scenes between the family and between the Dodgers to see whether or not this case is going to be settled.
But with that current gag order by the judge, both sides are playing down the possibility the jury will have another big day ahead on Monday. In downtown Los Angeles, Corrine Winter, KTLA 5 News.